Hey guys, it's Jake. In this video, I cover the absolute most important things when branding your business. Could be a business in clothing, technology, music, food, whatever. These apply to any business. Branding is basically the total sum of everything your company represents. You want to differentiate yourself from your competitors through unique imagery and behavior, so to stand out. Number 1, disruption. Following trends can benefit you as a short-term play, and that's all well and good and shouldn't be frowned upon. But creating disruption and paving a new lane should ultimately be your main goal. This could be a new type of product, a special type of sale, or a promotion that no one's offered before, a unique pop-up experience, and so on. You want it to be something people haven't seen before. You want to be new and different. By doing this, your customer will have to come to only you to get this product, service, or experience. Number 2, be personable. You want to be as transparent as your brand image will allow you to be, and to show your brand's personality. I've explained what a brand personality is in my 6 elements to build your brand successfully video, so check that out. Be relatable, show your consumers that you see them and face the same troubles and woes as they do. You want to be a personable brand, not some type of corporate organization. This builds trust. Building brand loyalty like this takes time, but it forges stronger relationships and returning customers. Number 3, experiment and trial and error. Never be afraid to try something new and experiment out of your comfort zone. Whether that's a new type of graphic style, a cut pattern, controversial stance on an industry issue, whatever it may be. Even if you fail, you trying something new and never before seen will be seen with respect and loyalty from your true fan base. Successful experimentation is fantastic for promoting your unique selling point, USP, differentiation, and brand identity. Number 4, maintain brand image. As you continue to produce products and services, your customers will begin to expect and predict what the next set of offers might be. This is good. You still want to make new and exciting things, but those products should still express your consistent brand imagery. You want to be reliable to your consumer base. Stay consistent, and if you do stray/want to change branding, make sure you're transparent and the transition is comfortable for your fan base. Number 5, be accessible. This means you want multiple touch points for your consumers to be able to interact with. This would be advertising methods, different social medias, in-person stores or pop-ups. You want to be very visible to your following, so they have no trouble finding you when they're reminded of you. Number 6, under-promise, over-deliver. This makes customers want to come back because they know you got some tricks up your sleeve. You want to impress them, woo them. Sometimes revealing a special gift or a good deal right before your launch is a good strategy when you want that one last good impression before the collection drops. Number 7, expect resistance. There's a lot of people out there, and everyone's interested in everything. The right people will find you, and that means you can't please everyone. You'll always get critiques, hate, not so positive comments, and that's fine. Just don't let those nobodies get to you, because they ain't running a brand. You are. Focus on pleasing your core customers. And there's always going to be more things you can do to improve how your brand operates, and you'll eventually figure those out through trial and error. Start with these 7 points and see where they take you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you learned something new. Comment down below if you have any questions, and check out my brands. They're pretty cool. See ya.